Hi friends. This is unboxing and review of BOSCH GSB500W10 RE Professional Toolkit. The total weight of the kit is 4.5 kilograms. The portable and compact suitcase allows you to carry the BOSCH toolkit anywhere and store it away easily when not in use. Let's open it. This kit contains a 500-watt hammer drill, 5 concrete and wood drill bits, 4 metal drill bits, 1 hammer, 1 plier, 10 screwdriver bits, 1 bit holder. 30 screws and 30 nylon plugs are the tools and accessories that are provided. This is the manual of the toolkit. Here you can find how to use this drill. This is a claw hammer. This accessory allows you to hammer nails into wooden surfaces, while the claw end can be used to lever the nails out. This is socket wrench. You can use this for tightening and loosening nuts. This is adjustable wrench. This is a spanner with an adjustable jaw that is compatible with different sized nuts and bolts. This is 3-directional spirit level accessory, which can be used to see surface leveling. You will get here combination plier. You can use this multi-use plier to do various things such as bending, twisting, and cutting cables. This is a 3-meter measuring tape. It is a flexible ruler and used to measure accurate distance easily. These are screwdriver bits. It is used for rotational work to screw and unscrew nails and plugs into any surface. These are screws and plugs. There are 30 pieces of screws with 3.5 mm, 4 mm and 5 mm and 30 plugs of 5 mm, 6 mm and 8 mm. You will also get here adjustable knife. It is a multi-purpose utility knife that helps you in any cutting related work. This is nut or screwdriver bit holder. It has a magnetic tip to fit all standard bit sizes and prevents bits from falling off. For drilling operation, you will get here 4 metal drill bits for metal surfaces, 5 wood drill bits for wood and 5 masonry drill bits for drilling holes on concrete surfaces. Now finally, this is a 500-watt hammer drill weighing 1.5 kilograms with an ergonomic design that sits comfortably in your hand while completing tasks. This is key chuck, which is used to loosen the drill chuck to insert and remove drill bits. This is the trigger for the drill. With the help of it, you can rotate drill at variable speed, and this is a continuous drill mode button for locking the desired speed. This is forward or reverse drilling mode for clockwise and anti-clockwise drilling. Here is pilot drilling mode to easily manage the size of the pilot hole you are drilling. Now to start the drill machine, you need to press the trigger, but the machine will not start because you need to select forward or reverse action first. Now select a drill bit for your desired project to drill hole and use key chuck for tightening a drill bit. Finally, before pressing trigger, select forward mode for drilling hole and press trigger at your required speed. You can select various functions of the machine for your desired project. If you have any problem, please comment below.